Alright, so now you're going to make sure that every coin registers. So put a quarter in and wait. It'll show 25 cents. Another quarter, 50 cents. A nickel, 55 cents. A dime, 65 cents. 75 cents. We programmed our thing for 75 cents. Hit your button. You'll drop your cup, make your potion. Make sure while you do this and you're testing it, you set it up, you run it through 3 different things so it makes sure all the powder's getting down and you'll be all set. Nothing else to do. Have a great day. And there's your brand new cup of coffee.